Yeah, I definitely need to change it up a little tonight. How about some Greek? What's going on? It's Katrin, the Kitchen Kitty, and we're taking it exotic, taste, and sexy with Greek on a sheet. Chicken. We all eat it. We all want it. So if you're gonna have some Greek, we're gonna have a little prep to do. So I'm gonna start with a nice marinade for the chicken. Let's get started. For our marinade, I got a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. I got 1/3 cup of olive oil. Juice of 2 lemons. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. To that, we're gonna add lemon zest, teaspoon of oregano, pinch of red pepper. I got a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. I got 4 cloves, minced garlic, and I got about a tablespoon of chopped dill. Gonna whisk it up. I got a pound and a half of chicken breasts. I got about 4 of them. I'm gonna throw them in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna pour that marinade in that bag. If you're gonna do some Greek, you can't just rush into it. I'm gonna marinate these in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight. Let's get a little saucy. Yogurt sauce, 3/4 cup. I'm using the rest of this container. The juice of a whole lemon. A grated garlic clove or finely chopped. Tablespoon red wine vinegar. Tablespoon of chopped dill. I'm gonna grate about 3/4 cup of cucumber into it, but first I wanna take the seeds out. So I cut that in half, and I'm gonna scoop this out. So I grated some cucumber down. These cucumbers make things extra wet when you grate them. So you want to take some of that moisture out, like that. Just squeezing some of that moisture out of that cucumber. I'm gonna salt to taste, so salt, pepper. I just stirred it up, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, but bam! You got a great Greek yogurt sauce that you can keep in the fridge for the week, because who doesn't love some extra cream? No pots and pans today. I lined a sheet pan with parchment paper. I just took some Yukon cold potatoes. I quartered them. Olive oil. I put salt, pepper, some oregano, and then just took the chicken out, drained some of that marinade off. Those garlic pieces, you don't want them to burn. I put them right next to the potatoes, and then we're ready to go. Time to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna check on them. Took the chicken out, flipped it over, pop it in for about 5 to 10 minutes till it's done. After about 26 minutes, I took the chicken off the pan. I'm gonna cover that with foil. I'm gonna just drain some of this off, put a little extra salt on these potatoes, throw them back in for about 15 minutes. Back in the oven, my potatoes, I got my chicken, I have my yogurt sauce, and I got little extras. Give me some Greek. Let's put this together. I'm just gonna take one of the chicken breasts, just cut them down thin. I'm gonna take some arugula. I just put some potatoes down. I'm gonna pop that chicken right there, however you like it. Tomato. Put some olives down. Need some feta. I'm just gonna take some of that sauce and I'm just gonna put it right on the side. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of mint. Now let's give it a shot. Oh, olives. Chicken, potato, some of that yogurt. Now that's some food porn. You got the freshness of the veg, the meat's nice and tender, those potatoes are nice and brown and golden. Got that creamy sauce, because who doesn't like a little extra cream? I'll call that a home run. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Katrin, the Kitchen Kitty. I appreciate you in my kitchen. Please like, press that subscribe button, and share. Until next time, ciao.